So, pakilala lang, kamustahin natin mga nanonood, and if you have any contents on your social media pages that you want to share with us, kindly do so.
Pleasant evening. I am Jane Season, and you can follow and add me to my Facebook page and Facebook, Jane Season, and to my Instagram also, Jane Season. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's Jane Season, tama ba? Alright, so practice na rin to para sa inyo, and public speaking. Malay nyo, maging host din kayo someday. Sobrang tight na kasi ng competition ngayon that you have to be able to speak. You have to be able to do live on TikTok, Facebook. Buti na lang, napanood ko, wala pa lahat yan. Kami trabaho ako. Nakakapagsalita. But my goodness, yung generation nowadays, it's really, really crazy. Alright, thank you so much, babe number 1. Let's move on with babe number 2.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Gladys Janas from CDAP San Fernando, La Union. And kung gusto niyo pa follow niyo po ako sa Facebook. My Facebook is Gladys Angel Janas. My TikTok account is I'm Gladys Janas. Same din po sa Instagram. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, babe number 2. TikTok talaga. Alam mo yung TikTok na yan, nagtitiktok lang ako ng fiancé ko para humanap ng makakaitan. Hence, my size. And let's move on, babe number 3.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Rose Stoke. Kung gusto niyo po ako i-follow sa aking social media accounts, all of my social media accounts are Rose Stoke. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, babe number 3. And by the way, kanina I always ask the audience kung ano yung pulso nila. Pulso lang nila yun. Alam mo, minsan nakakainis ngayon na parang, hindi ako napipili, gagalingan ko pa. And I'm actually seen yung mga umextra effort on the swimwear portion. I truly appreciate it. Kudos to the babes and the hunks na nakita ko talaga, hindi nyo pinipili, papakitang gilas ako. If I were one of the judges, I'd probably pick you. Alright, let's move on, babe number 4.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Monica Julia Dongon, and I'm from the city of Masbate. You all can follow me on my Instagram account, which is Miss Monica, and on my TikTok is Filipina. I am so happy to be here in Isitan and to see all of you. And guys, this is my first pageant here in Manila, but it is my pleasure to present myself and my city, Masbate, here in Manila. Thank you.
Thank you so much, babe number 4. And last but not the least, babe number 5, which I believe Lupa from Thailand, if I'm not mistaken.
Hi guys! Kamusta naman lahat? I am Victoria Asteriel. You can follow me on Facebook, Sherilu, and on Instagram, Share_Rilu. And for the information of everybody, I just came from Malaysia to compete for an international pageant and of course to represent my beloved country, which is the Philippines. And guys, I hope na makapunta kayo sa grand finals namin next week. Yun lang. Thank you.
Alright, I love the confidence. I love that she's claiming it. Alright, let's go. I apologize. It's a Malaysia pala, not Thailand. Wrong info. Mali yung chismis pumasok sa akin. And Asteriel. Apologies. Thank you so much. Pakpakalit natin mga babes natin. Kaya pretty much ito yung pinakinabangan nyo. Intervene ko yung mga hunks this time around. Alright, let's start off with hunk number 1. Alright, brother, same with the babes. Kung meron kang social media channels that you want to introduce, kindly do so. And sige, kahit dito ka mag-stay, baka mas pakita. Diyan ka na lang. Okay, wala problema. Go.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kyle Raya, but you can call me IC. May-represent ko po ang Anono Rizal. Yun ako.
Thank you so much, Kaya. No TikTok account, no content, no vlogging. Wala YouTube. Alright, no problem about that. Let's stop. Hunk number 2.
Good evening, everyone. And my name is Justin Bender, and when follow me on IG, my name on IG is Justin Bender, and also
Alright, hunk number 2. Huwag na masyadong abahan, brother. Relax ka lang. You never know. Alam mo, practice mo lang yan. Practice mo. Bala mo, you got the height, you got the looks. Bala mo, ikaw yung susunod na maging sensation natin, di ba? Lean yan, pare. It's all in the mindset. Maniwala kayo sa hindi. Alaga, it's really all in the mindset.
Hello everyone, my name is James Martinez, and pwede niyo po akong i-add sa Facebook na James Martinez na po yung name. I'm from Laguna. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, James Martinez. Hindi ko yung basketball player na James Martinez. Iba yun? Okay, ba yun? Okay. So kayo follow James Martinez daw. Alright, hump number 4.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Edelbert de la Cruz. Pwede niyo po akong i-add sa Facebook. And kung gusto niyo pong mag-order sa mga Get Wasted any branch, pwede niyo pong gamitin yung aking code GWDenver. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ano ulit kong orderin? Supplements. Saan, anong branch? Any branch. Anong pangalan ng orderan nila? Get Wasted. Alright, just use GW Denver. Okay, yun, no? Nakakuha pa tayo ng tip. Maraming salamat, brother. Guys, you guys should really be proud of that one. If you guys have any platforms that you want to introduce, sige lang, huwag kayong mahiya, ilabas yan. At yun talaga yung labanan ngayon eh. Kailangan medyo mga panamuha natin, kailangan lumalaban tayo kasi iba-iba talaga. Ang daming mga content creators ngayon. So we really have to be one step forward. And last but not least, hump number 5.
Good evening, I'm Mike Gomez from Pangasinan. Pwede niyo po akong i-add sa Facebook. Ang Facebook account ko po ay Iron Mike. Thank you.
Alright, Iron Mike. Parang Iron Mike Tyson tayo dyan. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, istas yung mga let's palakpakan lang natin mga hunks at mga babes for our last elimination round. Alright, medyo nahihirapan sila mag-tabulate talaga. Kahit naman ako, feeling ko yung magiging judge sa afternoon na to. Oh boy, you guys are really good looking. You girls are really good looking. Lahat kayo, you guys have sexy